Hello crazy travelers, welcome to our channel Aerial Pixel. Today we will have a tour on the Lake Como and later on Villaggio resort town. So this Lake Como lies in northern Italy's Lombardy region, is an upscale resort area very well known and popular for its dramatic scenery. It sits against the foothills of the Alps and many celebrities has their luxurious villas lies beside the lakes. So stay tuned and enjoy with us.
For 2000 years, Lake Como in northern Italy has been described as one of the most beautiful and romantic places in the world. Lake Como's shoreline is full of antique and high-end luxurious villas. Many celebrities around the world have bought stunning luxurious villas right beside the lake after falling in love with the charm of this special Italian paradise. The southern shore of Lake Como is just 51 kilometers from Milan. It's easy to travel from Milan to Lake Como. Taking the train is affordable and efficient. Driving to Lake Como is straightforward too. By bus, it takes around 50 minutes to the southern part of Lake Como from Milan. Many visitors focus on the three most popular Lake Como destinations: Como, Villaggio, and Varenna. Whether you are visiting Lake Como for a day or staying longer, jump aboard a boat, relax, and reach your favorite town, Villaggio, Varenna, Como, or maybe one of the historical villas on the shore of the lake. Villaggio is a small upscale resort town at the tip of a long hilly promontory between the two southern branches of Lake Como. The name Villaggio comes from Bel Lago, which means beautiful lake. This elegant resort town, Villaggio, has spectacular views of the widest part of Lake Como and the Swiss Alps. Villaggio is the most popular tourist attraction on Lake Como. Villaggio is the Italy you have dreamed of. It's both quaint and beautiful as well as luxurious. In the months of summer, Villaggio is bustling with tourists from all over the world. It's not as quiet as some of the other surrounding villages on Lake Como, but is well worth visiting. The tiny town is an excellent place to escape away an afternoon to spend a relaxing, romantic holiday, or simply to base yourself for an exploration of Lake Como. With lovely views, classy boutiques, picturesque lanes, a choice of restaurants, bars, and frequent boat services. Buildings are said to date back to Roman times, and not only that, they are thought to have started in the areas such as Lake Como. In fact, it's thought that Renaissance masters such as Leonardo da Vinci had set up their own villas here. Lake Como has been seen as the backdrop for many big Hollywood movies. For example, Star Wars, James Bond's Casino Royale, and most popular Ocean's 12. Lake Como is the home to fantastic flora and fauna as well as breathtaking sea views and intriguing historic buildings. The area is also well known for being a celebrity haunt for many famous people, such as Mark Twain, George Clooney, Brad Pitt, and Catherine Zeta-Jones. Bollywood's popular celebrities Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh got married at the luxurious Villa del Babbianiello on the shore of Lake Como. We hope you had a wonderful time with us exploring the magnificent Lake Como. Do subscribe our channel for our upcoming travel stories. Until then, take care and happy traveling. Bye.